Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having an amazing day. I am doing a birthday shout out to Rhonda Said. If you don't know who Rhonda Said is, she will be down in my description box. Please do go over, tell her happy birthday. I am going to start doing birthday shout outs. Just a little quick video saying happy birthday on your special day. I think birthdays should make people smile and let others know that they are being thought of. So here's my little video to you. Happy birthday, Rhonda. Rome, I hope you do something amazing, and I hope Louis stays off the shelves. If you know somebody who's having a birthday or you would like a video, please do leave in the comments down below. I would love to fulfill that request. As always, guys, please do like, comment, and share. Most of all, please subscribe. That would be wonderful of you. And until next time, this is just a little quick shout out. I love you, Rhonda. Happy birthday, honey. As always, guys, you stay beautiful. Bye.